Okay, so students, we are with question number 7. Okay, let us see what is question number 7. In a magic square, each row, column and diagonal have same sum. Okay, now what are rows? These horizontal lines are known as rows. Okay, so this is your first row, this is your second row, this is your third row. So let us write it as R1, R2, R3. This is your first row, this is your second row, this is your third row. And column, what are columns? These vertical bars are known as columns. Okay, so this is your first column, this is your second column, and this is your third column. Is that clear? And diagonal, what are diagonals? These are known as diagonals. Okay, this is known as what? Diagonal. So how many diagonals are there? You know it very well. What is a diagonal? This is a diagonal and this is a diagonal. Okay, now see, in a magic square each row, column and diagonal have same sum. This means मैजिक स्क्वायर वो स्क्वायर होता है जिसमें अगर सारे रोज़ का अगर आप सम करते हो, ईच रोज़ का अगर आप सम करते हो, ईच कॉलम का सम करते हो, ईच डायगोनल का सम करते हो, तो सब सम क्या आते हैं? सब सम का आंसर क्या आता है? सेम आता है. इज़ दैट क्लियर? सो चेक विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ मैजिक स्क्वायर. तो हमें चेक करना है कि क्या ये मैजिक स्क्वायर है. सो लेट अस डू इट. First of all, we will take what? First row. Okay, so sum of digits in first row, sum of digits in first row will be equal to what? We will first add these digits. So this is equal to what? 5 plus minus 1 plus minus 4 होगा, क्योंकि रो 1 में कौन से एलिमेंट्स हैं हमारे, कौन से नंबर्स हैं रो 1 में? कौन से नंबर्स हैं? 5 plus minus 1 plus minus 4. Is that clear? Now we will open the bracket, then plus into minus will be minus 1, plus into minus will be minus 4. Is that clear? So both the signs are same, so minus 1 and minus 4 will get added. So this will become 5 minus 5, which is equals to what? 0. Is that clear to you? So this means what? Sum of digit in first row is what? कितना आ रहा है हमारा? 0. इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ वी मूव ऑन टू अवर नेक्स्ट पार्ट, सम ऑफ डिजिट्स इन सेकेंड रो. सम ऑफ डिजिट्स इन सेकेंड रो. सो लेट अस सी सेकेंड रो में कौन कौन से नंबर्स हैं? -5, -2 एंड 7. सो लेट अस ऐड देम. -5 plus -2 plus 7. So when you open the bracket, so this will be -5 plus -2 and plus 7. Okay, then -5 -2, both the signs are same, so they will get added. So -5 -2 will become -7 and this is plus 7. So your again answer is what coming? 0. Okay, so now next move on to our third row. हम third row को देखेंगे. So sum of digits in third row. सो लेट अस चेक सम ऑफ डिजिट्स इन थर्ड रो क्या होता है. थर्ड रो में कौन कौन से नंबर्स हैं? 0, 3 एंड -3. सो लेट अस ऐड देम. 0 प्लस 3 प्लस -3. ओके, सो when you add them, this will become 0 plus 3 and plus into minus will be what? Minus. So again 3 and 3 will get cancelled and this will equal to what? 0. So हमारा यहाँ पे सब रोज़ का जितने भी नंबर्स हैं उसमें सम तो हमारा क्या आ रहा है? सबका 0 आ रहा है. Now next we will move on to columns. Okay, so now we will move on to columns. जैसे हमने रोज़ के लिए किया था, same we will do it for column also. So sum of digits in first column. Sum of digits in first कॉलम. सो फर्स्ट कॉलम में हमारे पास क्या क्या नंबर्स हैं? +5, -5 एंड 0. सो वी विल ऐड व्हाट? +5, -5 एंड 0. इज दैट क्लियर? मैं यहाँ पे माइनस को ब्रैकेट में क्यों ले रहा हूँ? बिकॉज सो दैट माई कैलकुलेशन गेट्स ईजी. मेरी कैलकुलेशन में मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो, इसीलिए. इज दैट क्लियर टू यू? सो यू शुड ऑल्सो टेक नेगेटिव साइन इन ब्रैकेट व्हेन there is calculation. Okay, so again 5, then plus into minus will be what? Minus. This will become -5. Okay, and +5 -5 gets cancelled, so your again result is what coming? 0. Now we will find sum of digits sum of digits in second column. We will find sum of digits in second column. So सेकेंड कॉलम हमारा ये है. इज दैट क्लियर टू यू? कौन कौन से नंबर हैं? -1, -2 एंड 3. सो वी विल ऐड -1, we will add -2 and we will add 3. Okay, -1, -2 and 3. So we will add all three of them. So this, if we open the bracket, then it will become -1 and plus into minus will be -2 and plus 3. Okay, so this means -1, -2 signs are same and then they get added. So this will be -3 plus 3 and -3 plus 3 is equal to what? Again 0. Now we move on to our final column, sum of digits in third column. Sum of digit in third column. Now see, what are the digits in third column? -4, 7 and -3. So we will add what? -4 with 7 and -3. Is that clear? When you open the bracket, then you will get what? -4 plus 7 and plus into minus will be what? Minus. Is that clear? Now we can take same sign together, numbers with same sign together, है ना? So -4 and -3 will be taken together. Now since signs are same, they will get added. So -4 -3 will be what? -7 plus 7 and -7 plus 7 will get cancelled and it will become what? 0. Is that clear to you? So this means हमने सब रोज को देख लिए, सारे रोज के सम हमारे 0 आ रहे हैं, सारे कॉलम के सम वी आर गेटिंग 0. ओके, नाउ लेट अस चेक डायगनल एलिमेंट्स. नाउ लेट अस चेक द डिजिट इन डायगनल्स. जो डायगनल्स में जो डिजिट हैं उसको चेक करते हैं. अगर वो भी 0 आते हैं, सो दिस square is a magic square, otherwise it is not a magic square. Okay, now what we will do further, अब हम क्या करेंगे next? We will do sum of digits in first diagonal. We will do what? Sum of digits in first diagonal. So what are the digits in first diagonal? Yes, this is our first diagonal. Okay, so 5, -2 and -3, this is our first diagonal. Okay, so we will add 5, -2 and -3. So I am adding that 5, I am adding what? 5 with -2 with -3. Is that clear? Now if you add this, then what we will get? 5 plus into minus will be -2. Okay, and plus into minus again it will be -3. So this will be what? 5 and -2 -3 sign are same, so they will be added. This will become -5 and -5 will become what? +5 -5 will get cancelled and it will become what? 0. So this is also coming 0. Okay, now let us check our last diagonal. If that diagonal result is also 0, अगर वो diagonal का result भी 0 आता है, this means what? Our square is a magic square. Okay, so let us check it. Sum of digits in second diagonal. Sum of digits in second diagonal. So let us check what is our second diagonal. This is our second diagonal. See, this was our first diagonal. ये जो हमारा diagonal था, ये हमारा first diagonal था. Now this is our second diagonal. Okay, this is our second diagonal. So what are the digits in second diagonal? -4, -2 and 0. Okay, -4, -2 and 0. So we will add what? -4 with -2 and 0. So if you open the bracket, then you will get -4 and plus into minus will be -2 and this will be +0. So both the signs are same. So -4 and -2 will be what? -6 plus 0, and -6 plus 0 is what? -6. Now see here, अब आप ये देख सकते हो, first row, second row, third row, first column, second column, third column, and even in first diagonal the answer was coming same, 0. Okay, but in second diagonal the answer is what? Different. Okay, so this means what? We have got a diagonal in which the digits, the sum of the digit is not same with the other diagonal and rows and columns. Is that clear? तो हमारे पास एक diagonal हमें ऐसा मिल रहा है सच दैट उसमें जो हमें रिजल्ट मिल रहा है सम ऑफ डिजिट्स का वो बाकी सबसे इक्वल नहीं है. दिस मीन्स वॉट, दिस स्क्वायर इज नॉट अ मैजिक स्क्वायर बिकॉज इन ऑल द रोज, इन ऑल द कॉलम्स एंड इवन इन द फर्स्ट डायगनल आवर आंसर इज कमिंग 0, बट in second diagonal our answer is coming what, -6. So this means what, this is not a magic square. Is that clear to you? So what will we write? Since the sum of digits, since the sum of digits in second diagonal is not same, है ना, is not same, hence the given square is not a magic square, is not a magic square. Okay, so I hope आपको ये clear हो गया होगा. Okay, I hope you got this sum. Okay, now I am leaving this part as a homework for you. मैं आपको ये part as a homework दे रहा हूँ. इसमें भी आपको same करके देखना है. Okay, again 3 rows को आपको sum of digits करना है, columns का sum of digits करना है, diagonal का sum of digits करना है, and if all are coming equal then the square is a magic square, है ना. And if even one is coming different then square is not a magic square. Okay, I hope आपको clear हो गया होगा. So I am leaving this sum for you. आप इसको homework कीजिए and if you are finding any problem then please let me know. मैं आपको इसको भी solve कर दूँगा. Is that clear to you? So in next video we will move on to our next sum. Thank you.